Buzzer alarm system.
Buzzer alarm system is a kind of invention that could help you in your security. So kani nga invention, pwede rin mo siya ibutang sa kung aha kaganahan ibutang. Specifically dito gid sa mga entrance or sa aha kasagara mangagi ang mga tawo. Kani siyang invention na ani siya gitawag nga motion sensor nga makasense siya og any kind of motion. Once makasense siya og any kind of motion, automatically kani nga invention mo buzz or motingog siya. And sa kani nga pamaagi, makabalo ka nga naaday ning agi nga tawo didto or any unknown person or animal nga ning agi nga sa asa nimo siya dapit gibutang.
The importance of a buzzer alarm system is that it will aid in your security, particularly the protection of your family, because there is a possibility that they or other unknown people may be present in your village. The significance of this is that there will be a motion sensor which will immediately buzz if it detects any form of motion.
The materials components that we are going to use in our buzzer alarm system are the following: Arduino Uno buzzer and flare VIR motion sensor detector, LED resistor, 330 OHM spark fan, push button switch 12mm, 1K resistor OHM, breadboard, jumper wires, and also USB cable and laptop.
Schematic diagram.
This would be the schematic diagram in our buzzer alarm system.
This would be the output on how to assemble a buzzer alarm system. Thank you.